Hi everyone, and today I'll be teaching you how to draw a parrot. So the first step is to try to draw a straight line in the middle of your paper. And after you do that, draw a light oval shape on top of that line. Then draw another curved skinny oval under it. And then for its head, draw a wide sideways oval like that. And next is the parrot's beak, which you draw a line right there. And then curve it down, curve it back up, and that's the top part of the beak. And then the bottom of the beak, you just draw a curved line there. And then from the top of the beak, draw a line down and put it over. And do another line like that right here. And next, for the eye, I'm going to draw a weird shape here. And a shape like this for the eye. And then you can keep the body go down into here. And then for the wings, for this wing, a little thing right there. For this wing, a big noun. And then that line, right, that we did earlier, you can make darker and add another line under it so it's like a beam. And you can add the tips of the wings that go under. Next, for the tail feathers, you can do this line, put it up, keep that line, but just make it a little sharper. And then put things like these. For the tail feathers. And then for its wings, most parrots have a thing right there and there. And you can also add a little neck thing right there. And if you want to add detail to the feathers, you can do that. And then the final step is erasing it like this, so that you can. And that's how you draw the parrot. And this is a time lapse of me coloring it.